Thinking about moving to Orlando, one of the biggest decisions you will make is whether to buy a brand new construction home or a resale home. While both have their advantages, choosing the right one can save you money and make your relocation much smoother for you and your family.
Let's start with new construction homes because they're one of the most popular options for buyers relocating to Central Florida, and they offer so many modern benefits.
One of the biggest benefits is that everything is completely brand new, from the roof and appliances to the plumbing and electrical systems.
Since everything is new, you'll usually spend less on repairs and maintenance during your first several years of ownership.
Many builders also include warranties that help protect major systems and structural components after you move in. Another advantage is customization. Depending on the stage of construction, you may be able to choose finishes that match your personal style. Builders also frequently offer incentives that can reduce your upfront costs or even lower your monthly payment, making a brand new home more affordable than many buyers expect. It may include help with closing costs, special financing, or upgraded features, so it's always worth asking what promotions are currently available for this home today. Many new construction communities are thoughtfully planned, offering amenities designed to make everyday living more enjoyable for homeowners of all ages.
Depending on the community, you may have access to resort-style pools, fitness centers, playgrounds, walking trails, and other amenities just minutes from your front door.
Newly built homes also include modern layouts, energy-efficient features, and smart home technology that can make everyday life more convenient. That doesn't mean resale homes aren't a great option. For many buyers, they offer established neighborhoods and the opportunity to move in sooner for their families.
Resale homes may also offer larger lots, mature landscaping, and unique character that buyers simply prefer over a brand new home.
At the end of the day, neither option is better for everyone. The right choice depends on your goals, your timeline, and the lifestyle you want when you move to Orlando. If you're relocating from another state, there are a few extra things you'll want to think about before choosing the right home for your family today. Your moving timeline, your budget, and even how often you will travel back and forth can all influence whether a new construction or resale home makes more sense. That's why I always encourage buyers to compare the complete picture instead of focusing on the listing price alone, as there are many factors to consider in real estate. Monthly payments, builder incentives, warranties, insurance costs, and your long-term plans all play an important role in making the best decision.
One thing many buyers are surprised to learn is that a brand new home can sometimes cost less each month than they originally expected because of builder incentives.
Those opportunities change throughout the year, so having someone who keeps up with current builder promotions can make a real difference during your home search. Whether you're interested in a new construction home, a resale property, or simply exploring your options, I'm here to help you make an informed decision with confidence.
Every buyer's journey is different, which is why taking the time to understand your priorities can help you make a decision you'll feel confident about for years to come.
Whether your priority is a modern home with today's features or an established neighborhood with plenty of character, there's an option that's right for you.
The most important thing is having the right guidance so you can compare every opportunity and move forward with confidence. If you're planning to relocate to Orlando, I'd be happy to answer your questions, explain your options, and help you find a home that truly fits your lifestyle and goals.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Orlando real estate and relocation tips. I'll see you in the next video.